Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make ketchup. Guys, you can make ketchup from the comfort of your home and it can last you for up to 1 month. Okay, so let's make it, guys. So we need fresh tomatoes, like the strong type, not those soft one. Okay, then you need a chopping board, a bowl. Then you want to go ahead to slice the tomatoes, just like the way I'm doing, guys. Okay, so next I'll go ahead to remove the seeds from the tomato. That way you get rid of the sour taste and actually it reduces the sour taste, not that you can actually eliminate it completely. Then I'm going to go ahead to slice the tomatoes into smaller pieces again, just like what you see me doing here. Okay, so I want to do that for all the tomatoes anyway, so you have to be patient while doing this process. Okay, and when that is done, guys, I'm going to transfer that into my bowl till I'm done with everything. Then after I'm done, I'm going to transfer that into my pot. I am not adding water, guys. You just want to boil it till it's soft or nicely cooked, till the water is almost dried. Then you want to set that aside and leave it till it gets warm before blending it. Okay, so that you don't destroy your blender. Then blend it till it's smooth. By this point, I'm not still satisfied with the smoothness that I'm seeing here, so I decided to sift it again to get rid of any shaft that's in there. And that is exactly what I'm doing. And guys, can you see what I got? So it's very important, right? And I'm going to transfer that into my fry pan, to cook properly now. Then I'm adding sugar to this and salt, then chili pepper. The chili pepper, guys, you can skip that if you don't like it. Then cover to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Then after that, I came back to check on it, and at this point I actually tasted the ketchup and I discovered it's not that sweet, so I added more sugar. But you can use granulated sugar anyway, so it's just what I have that I'm using. And I just added 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and you can use apple cider vinegar if that is what you have. Then you still cook this for about 3 minutes to 4 minutes and your ketchup is ready. You can serve this, enjoy it with your chips, with your burger, with whatever. Okay, and guys, this can be stored in your fridge for up to a month or even more if you have constant light. Okay, and this is our ketchup ready to be consumed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.